Hey there and welcome back to another video. I have been using the Zable Credit Card for a while now, and in this video I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review. We will cover everything from standout features to potential drawbacks. So by the end you will know if the Zable card is the right fit for you. Let's start with good stuff, like because Zable does a lot right. Zable does not have any annual fee, no foreign transaction fees even outside the EU, no overt limit fees, huge win if you're worried about surprise charges, and fast approval process, often within minutes. Instant step up setup with Apple Pay or Google Pay once approved, a 35-day interest-free period if you pay your statement. So but let's be real, it's not perfect. The APR is step like currently around 34.9%, so do not carry a balance. Some users have experienced account freezes or delays in the customer supports. You log in using this option, tap onto it, and here you can use it. Credit limits start low, often from around €100 and cap out at €1,500 based on your credit profile. So while the cards works well if you're organized and pay it off in full each month, it can get expensive quickly if you're not careful. So should you get the Zable credit card or not? Yes, if you are looking to build or rebuild your credit, want a no fee card, and confident you can pay your balance in every month. And no, if you tend to carry a balance, you might want a high credit limit right off the bat, fast and a responsive customer, then you should not use it. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest review and financial tips. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.